Hello, and welcome to ZKTecoUSA. My name is Charlie, and today I'll be taking you on a tour of our Alpharetta Office and Experience Center. Without further ado, let's check it out. Moving through, here is our marketing department. And right next to them, you have our tech support team. This is our conversation space. And here is our conference room. Now we enter into the Experience Center. The first thing that you might notice in the center is our row of turnstiles at the very front. You'll also see our video production space. Moving forward, you'll see our various product displays, both past and present. Turnstiles. Metal detectors. Readers. Access control panels. All of these devices are made by ZKTeco as original equipment manufacturers, and I think that they are super cool. But not as cool as the centerpiece of the Experience Center, our egg. As you can see by the Post-its on the walls, this is where we hatch new ideas and get cracking on work. All right, that's enough egg jokes. Let's move on. Here is our middle warehouse. Here is the main warehouse space. And, as you can see, there are a lot of different products we offer. Up here is where we keep our marketing materials and ZKTeco branded merchandise. Now we move to my favorite part of the building, the cafeteria. Through the warehouse, we come to the product repair and maintenance center. And through these plastic curtains, we can see our manufacturing unit for our USA manufactured devices. Passing down this hallway a little further is our gym. And out this door is the site of our future building expansion. Coming back into the office proper, we have a small meeting space, as well as the finance department, our training room where we hold seminars and classes, our product and engineering department. These are our manager offices. As you can see, the doors are all open, and while there's no one in them at the moment, these offices are hardly ever closed. Taking a closer look, this is the chairman's office. I love this office. It has such good lighting, an absolutely gorgeous wooden desk, and some nice open space. Well, here we are at the end of the tour. As you can see, the space as a whole is very well organized. A good office environment can really brighten the mood of the people working there, and I think ours does that job very well. Thank you for joining me today. Goodbye.